Dates tell us what day something happened, but time tells us when it happened. Whether you are analyzing customer orders, employee shifts, or website traffic, time can reveal patterns you might otherwise miss. In this video, you'll learn how to work with time data using Python inside Excel. Let's take a look at our data set. We've added a new column, time. Each row shows the time a sale or event occurred. Now, since Excel already recognizes these as time values, Python can work with them immediately. Let's load our data frame into Python. We insert Python, then df equal, then our range A1 through to EF13. Then we commit Control Enter, and we have our data frame. Now that our entire data set is available in Python, we are now going to create a new column that extracts only the hour from each time. In an empty cell, we insert our Python, and I'm just going to paste the formulas here to save time. Then I'll hit Control Enter, and Python works as magic. And you see, okay, let's see what happens there. You notice Python created another column for the hour, okay? You notice that 8:30 becomes 8, and so on. This makes it easier to group and analyze data, okay? Just imagine that you own a business. You want to know what hour has the most sales. When do customers place most orders? Or what time is your website the busiest? Without extracting the hour, answering these questions is much harder. But with Python, it's just a line of code. Let's also do the same thing for minutes. We come in an empty cell here. We insert our Python. Then I'm going to paste the formula here. Then I'll Control Enter and commit. And Python does its magic, and we have the same thing, but instead of hour, it is minutes. You can now see the minutes and the hour. This gives us even more flexibility when analyzing data. Now let's go ahead and see everything in one view. We right click here, then our Python output, we click on Excel value, and this is everything we just did, okay? And here, our updated data frame. We still have all of our original data, but now we have added two new columns, hour and minutes. This makes it much more easier to analyze when events are happening. Now you know how to work with time data using Python and Excel. In the next video, we'll learn how to validate data and catch errors before they affect your analysis. If you're enjoying this series, subscribe to Prompt and Process. Please subscribe and do comment. Remember to upskill one tool, one process, all at a time. Thank you.